happy to announce that we've crossed 100 subscribers. Thank you guys for encouraging me and providing your support, and please continue doing the same. Without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. Let's do a quick recap of the last video. Please remember this basic rule. There's nothing to it really. We just have to subtract 10 from every number from 10 to 19. 10 minus 10 is 0. 11 minus 10 is 1, 12 minus 10 is 2, and so on until 19. 19 minus 10 is 9. Now, let's do an example problem. Let's start from the bottom. 6 plus 5 is 11, and 11 minus 10 is 1. So we have to draw a line and write 1. Now we have to add this 1 to this 6. 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 is less than 10. So we have to add 9 as well. 1 plus 6 plus 9 is 16, and 16 minus 10 is 6. So we have to draw a line and write 6. Now add this 6 to this 8. 6 plus 8 is 14, and 14 minus 10 is 4. So we have to draw a line and write 4. Now let's add this 4 to this 7. 7 plus 4 is 11, and 11 minus 10 is 1. So we have to draw a line and write 1. Now add this 1 to this 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. We have no other number to add, and 7 is less than 10. So we have to write that 7 below in the answers. Now count how many lines you drew. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We drew 4 lines. So we have to write that 4 next to this 7. That's it. The answer is 47. Since you're familiar with the procedure, let's try a double-digit problem. Since it's a double-digit problem, first we have to do the ones place, and then we have to do the tens place. So now let's start from the bottom. 6 plus 0 is 6, which is less than 10. So we have to add 9 as well. 6 plus 0 plus 9 is 15, and 15 minus 10 is 5. So we have to draw a line and write 5. Now we have to add this 5 to this 2. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 is less than 10, but we have no other number to add. So let's write 7 down here in the answer. Now count how many lines are in the ones place. 1. We do only one line. So now we write 1 here and circle it. Now add this 1 to this one. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 is less than 10, so we have to add 4. 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6, and 6 is still less than 10, so we have to add 5 as well. 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 is 11, and 11 minus 10 is 1. So we have to draw a line here and write 1. Now we should add this 1 to this 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So now we should write that 4 below in the answer. Now count how many lines you drew in the tens place. We drew only one line. So we have to write that 1 here. So 32 plus 59 plus 40 plus 16 is 147. I know it's a bit confusing, so I'll explain another problem for you guys. Do it with me. As I said, first we'll solve the ones place, and then we'll do the tens place. Let's start from the bottom. 0 plus 4 is 4, which is less than 10. So we have to add 6 as well. 0 plus 4 plus 6 is 10, and 10 minus 10 is 0. So we have to draw a line and write 0. Now add the 0 to this 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. So we write 9 in the answer. Now we count how many lines we drew in the ones place. We drew only one line. So we should write that one here. Now 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 is less than 10. So we have to add 3 to it. 1 plus 7 plus 3 is 11 and 11 minus 10 is 1. So we have to draw a line and write 1. Now add this 1 to this 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 is less than 10. So we have to add this 8 as well. 1 plus 2 plus 8 is 11 and 11 minus 10 is 1. So we should draw a line. But we shouldn't write 1 here. We should write it in the answer. Now we should count how many lines we drew in the tens place. 1, 2. We drew 2 lines. So we should write that 2 in the answer. So 89 plus 26 plus 34 plus 70 is 219. Let's do one more problem to make the concept crystal clear. As I said, first we have to solve the ones place and then the tens. Let's start from the bottom. 9 plus 2 is 11 and 11 minus 10 is 1. So we have to draw a line and write 1. Now we have to add this 1 to this 6. 1 plus 6 is 7, which is less than 10. So we have to add this 5 as well. 1 plus 6 plus 5 is 12 and 12 minus 10 is 2. So we have to draw a line and write 2. Now we have to add this 2 to this 9. 2 plus 9 is 11 and 11 minus 10 is 1. So we draw a line here but write 1 in the answer. Now we have to count how many lines we drew in the ones place. 1, 2, 3. We drew 3 lines. So we have to write 3 here. Now we have to add this 3 to this 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 minus 10 is 1. So we have to draw a line and write 1. Now we should add this 1 to this 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, which is less than 10. So we have to add 3 as well. 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5 and 5 is still less than 10. So we have to add this 6 as well. Now 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 11 and 11 minus 10 is 1. So we have to draw a line and write 1. Now we have to add this 1 to this 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is less than 10 but we have no other number to add. So we should write that 2 in the answer. Now we have to count how many lines we drew in the tens place. 1, 2. We drew 2 lines. So we have to write that 2 in the answer. 19 plus 65 plus 36 plus 12 plus 89 is 221. Wasn't that simple? Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please comment them below in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do click the bell icon to receive notifications when I post new videos. Thank you guys.